Hello friends, in this tutorial I will gonna discuss about how to make available our code to Bitbucket so that our developer team can access that, and same time we can create branch and all the version control related things we can do there. So first you have to log in with Bitbucket, bucket.org. These are the projects I have already in progress. So here I will create one more project. I have already project. I want to create one deposit. Here this is my cost bundle project template. I want to define all the branch would be made. Now I will create. Okay, now I have master branch. In this master branch I have only two files, git ignore and readme. So here branch this repo I want to update my code there. So I will create one project here. Basically it's Android app. First I will create one blank application here. File and new project I want to create. Empty activity I will choose. This is Panditji new UI application. So I'm using Java language here. Okay, minimum SDK version 100% devices can will create one Android application. Yeah, Gradle build is going on. Let's see. Let's wait for some time. It's okay. My project has been created. Now application I want to. So in X1 Explorer, these are my Android Studio projects. This is my project. Here I want to open one command prompt so that I can run git command. So I open command here and I will go to that Bitbucket account here. So I want to clone. You see, I want to clone this application to this URL. Git clone and this URL. That command prompt. Okay, now cloning is done. You see here we have one folder here. So I will copy this control, cut it and paste here because I want this to be as parent. So I will delete this folder. It's downloaded from there. So now I have git readme. These are the files which are generated by git command. So if you see here, I do not have code here. I have only two files, git ignore and readme file. Now what I will do, I will run git command. So to add all files to git, I will create git add dot. Now I will commit -n. So you see all files is committed, but you see here, you won't see file here. If you press this, still you are not able to see that files here. So once we commit, we have to make sure that we have pushed all the changes to that particular branch. So I will push that changes. So for this we have git push branch. So it's done. Now you can see. So now the application is available on Git. All the application. Even if you see here, I want to create a new file, nothing but our activity create. So it has been created and now you can commit here. You will have options to perform all the operations what we are performing earlier on command. So this is simple example how you can make available your application Bitbucket. These are the simple commands. First you need to git clone, summarize, open one notepad, paste this clone. Then you have to add all the files of your project. For this git add and dot. This would be your second command. Git commit. Then you have to commit. This is your third command. Finally is git push. But make sure that you are on the same path. You have to open your command prompt same. These are simple command by which you can simply make available your application to Git so that other can access this application easily and your team can work. Thanks for watching.